Good morning, students. We now discuss chapter 9, that is air, water, and rocks. In this chapter, first we discuss about air, then water, and last rocks. So, first, know that air is all around us, and we, the living things, need air for breathe. So air is all around us and living things need air to breathe. And air contains water vapor, smoke, dust and germs. Excess of smoke, dust and germs makes the air impure. Breathing impure air can make us sick. Moving air is called wind. Gently moving wind is called breeze, and strong and damaging wind is called storm. So here moving air is called wind. What is wind? Moving air is called wind, and gently moving wind now, gently moving wind is called breeze, and strong and damaging wind is called the storm. Now, what is the help of wind do? Wind helps to dry clothes. In this picture, you saw that, and move sailboats, carry seeds to new places, etc. So many helps that wind do that. Wind helps are to dry clothes, move sailboats, carry seeds to new places, etc. Here in this picture, you see that a cock is sitting, and that is W. N. W means west, N means north, S means south, E means east. So weather cock indicates the direction of moving wind. This cock indicates the direction of moving winds. Now here we discuss about water. So living things need water. Water comes from rain, melting of snow on mountains. This water fills up rivers, etc. So some of it goes deep into the soil, that is groundwater. Under the goes deep into the soil is groundwater. Next, washing and bathing in rivers, throwing waste into it make the water dirty. So drinking dirty water can make us ill. If we drink the dirty water, we can make us ill. Here in this picture, you saw that few things, that is hand pumps. It is the hand pump. It is the hand pumps, wells, and these tubewells are used to get ground water. In this picture, you saw that a cycle. That is, this is the river, and it is the snow. So melting snow and rain. So water comes, at first I tell you that water comes from rain and melting of snow. Then the river. So river comes in the water vapor are released into the air by plants, and then here in the sea, so it is evaporation. So sun heats water, and water become water vapor, and rise up. This is the evaporation. Next, after then it condensation. Condensation is water vapor cool to form water droplets. Water vapor cool to form water droplets. Then water droplets join to form clouds that fall down as rain. This is the, and then rain again it come. So this is the rotation. So it is the water cycle. Next we discuss about rocks. So there are two types. One is minerals and rocks. Minerals, rocks. So minerals are feldspar, quartz, mica, etc. And rocks are gneiss, granite, and sandstone. This is the rocks. So the earth is made up of hard substance called rocks. So what is rocks? The earth is made up of hard substance called rocks. Rocks are found in the soil, in rivers and seas. Rocks are of many kinds. They may be hard like granite, sandstone, etc. Like granite, sandstone, etc. Or soft like coal and chalk. Next one is rock are made up of two or more minerals like mica, quartzite, etc. And diamond is the hardest mineral, and tails is the softest mineral. So what is the hardest mineral? Diamond, and tails is the softest mineral. Now we discuss the practice questions. So first question, which of the following does not require moving air? Here three picture is given, and option D is none of this. So which option is correct? That not require moving air? None of this, because these three needs moving air. Next question, Miss Bharma reuses water which was used to wash vegetables to mop the floor. So she is practicing dash of water. So option A is pollution, option B is conservation, option C is evaporation, and D is none of this. So which option is correct? Option B, that is conservation. Next question, which of the following statements is incorrect? Option A, precious minerals like gold and silver are used for making jewelry. Option B, dentists use powdered pumic for polishing our teeth. The Red Fort in Delhi is made up of granite, and its shell is used to make tiles and slates. Which option is correct? Option incorrect, that is option C. The Red Fort in Delhi is made up of granite, because it made up of red sandstone. Next question, which among the following is the softest minerals? Option A, graphite, option B, diamond, option C is quartz, and D is tell. Which option is correct? Option D, because you know that tails is the softest mineral. Next question, select the odd one out. Option A, tubewell, option B, well, option C, hand pump, and D is pond. Which option is correct? Option D, that is pond. Just because pond is the surface water source, while the other three are groundwater sources. Next question, during storms, tin roofs of houses are blown away. This shows that dash. Option A is air can exert force. Air, option B, air has weight. Option C, air occupies space, and D is all of this. Which option is correct? Option A, that is air can exert force. Read the given passage successfully. So next question is, moving air is called dash, that is X. When wind blows gently, it is called Y. When wind blows very fast with thunder and lightning, it is called Z. So here X, Y and Z is given. Now we need to select which option is correct. Option A, under the X is wind, and B is breeze, and Z is storm. Next option, option B, X is wind, B is storm, and Y is storm, and Z is breeze. Next option, option C, under the X, breeze, Y storm, and Z wind. Next option, option D is X, under the X, storm, Y is breeze, and Z is wind. Which option is correct? Option A, that is under the X, wind, Y is breeze, and Z is storm. Next question, the wind socket. So in the picture, this is the wind socket. It indicates that the wind is moving towards, I say you what is the name, dash. So option A is north, option B is south, option C is west, and D is east. Which option is correct? Option C, that is west. When wind moves in any direction, it tends to carry or move things in that direction. So given figure in direction is west. Next question, which of the following is or are gases states of water? One is water vapor, 2 is rain, 3 is snow, and 4 is dew. Now options, option A is 3 only, option B is 1 only, option C is 2, 3 and 4 only, and option D is 1, 2, 3, 4, all of this. So which option is correct? Option B, that is only 1, this one. Next question, water drops fall from the sky as rain. Where does all this water go? One is it gets absorbed into the soil, 2 the plants absorb the water, 3 it collects into the oceans and rivers, 4 is it collects into the ponds and reservoirs. Options are, option A is 1 and 2 only, option B 2 and 3 only, option C 1 and 4 only, and D is 1, 2, 3, 4. So which option is correct? Option D, that is all are correct. Next question, which of the following correctly shows the water level when a beaker of water is tilted? So here is the option in the picture, draw in the all our options. So which option is correct? Option C. Next question, match the column 1 and column 2, then select the correct options. Here column 1 and column 2. A is soft black and rock used as fuel. B is rock used for making blackboards. C is hardest mineral, and D is mineral used to make leads of pencil. Column 2, 1 is slate, 2 is diamond, 3 is graphite, and 4 is coal. So option here written, which option is correct? Option C, that is A, 4. A is 4. There is soft black rock used as fuel is coal. Then B is 1. B is 1. So rock used for making blackboards. one is slate. C is 2. Hardest mineral is diamond. D is mineral used to make lead or pencil is 3, that is graphite. Next question. Which of the following is made from the softest mineral? Option A. Because talcum powder is made from talc, which is the softest mineral. Next question. Next question is, Swati took a communicating vessels as shown in the, this is a vessel. She filled some water in it. In this water she filled some water. Now, which of the following correctly shows the level of water in the vessels? Here are the options. Which option is correct? Option B. Because this is correctly shows the level of water in the vessels. Next question. The process which is also a part of water cycle is responsible for formation of water droplets on the outer surface of a glass of cold drink. Select the option that gives the name above mentioned process on unscrambling. So here are the options. So which option is correct? Option A. Because if we scramble, we get evaporation and filtration. Next question. So this one is A is correct option, correct answer. Next question. Refer the given figure and identify the correct statement regarding source of water X. This is X. So here in this circle it is written that obtained by digging wells, in this obtained by hand pumps. Here the option A is some rainwater seeps into the ground as X. Option B, we build X to use river water. Option C, we get X directly from clouds. And D is X fills up puddles, ponds and lakes. Which option is correct? Option A. Because some rainwater seeps into the ground as X. It is the right option. Next question. Rock X floats on water while rock Y wears easily when rubbed. Which of the following option correctly identifies these rocks? Here X and Y, same as X and Y. So option A, under the X, pumic and Y is granite. Option B, X is granite and Y is chalk. Option C, X is marble and Y is slate. And option D, X is pumic and Y is chalk. So which option is correct? Option D. That is X is pumic and Y is chalk. Next question. Here the direction that question number 18 and 19 refer to the given word. This is a grid and answer the following question. So questions are, which of the following can be found in the given grid? Options are, an object that can show that air moves things. Option B, a water source that draws underground water using electricity. Option C, the initiating process of water cycle. Option D is a living thing that make air impure. So option D is correct. That In the option A, it could be hot air balloon and similar thing. And option D could be tube well, and option C is evaporation, and D could be germs. So germs are living things which when it present in air and make it impure. So that's why option D is correct. Next question. Two minerals X and Y are given in the word grid. X is word grid and X is used for making P and Y is used for making Q. Find out the minerals X and Y, then select the option correctly. Identifies Q and Y. So option A, Q. P is glass cutter and Q is bangle. Option B, P is talcum powder and Q is jewelry. Option C, P is tabletop and Q is window pane. And D is P. Option D is under the P is ring and Q is anklet. So option B is correct. The P is talcum powder and Q is jewelry. And next one is the last question. Is process X helps to in drying up of wet clothes when put on cloth line under the sun. And process Y helps in formation of cloud from water vapors presenting in air. Identify the process and select the incorrect option regarding them. So option A, process X is responsible for drying up of puddles and ponds drying during droughts. Option B, process Y is responsible for fogging of bathroom mirror when someone takes hot shower. And C is during process X gaseous state of water, it is converted into liquid state. And D is both process X and Y necessary for the production of water cycle. So option C is correct. It is process X is evaporation and process Y is condensation. So during evaporation, water changes from liquid state of gaseous state. So this option is correct. Again I tell that during the process X, gaseous state of water is converted into liquid state. This option is correct. So we complete this chapter 9. Next day we will complete the next chapter. And also I tell that this is the darkened place where the answer is written, option is written, and you need to dark your choice with the pencil, with the help of pencil. Thank you. End of the today class. All for the day. Thank you.